Laird Performance Materials slot-mounted finger stock gaskets are an economical and easily installed grounding and shielding solution for cabinet applications in medical, industrial, military, data center, and other applications where bidirectional movement is needed. Laird gaskets feature a bidirectional wiping and compression action that accommodates their use on front panel handles, chassis covers, plug-in units, backplanes, sub-rack assemblies, and more. And they provide typical shielding effectiveness from 60 to 110 dB from 100 MHz to 10 GHz. The gaskets can be installed in 2 slots or into 1 slot and over the edge of the frame, with the slots adding minimal fabrication cost and making the installation easy and cost-effective. Laird offers the gaskets in beryllium copper, recyclable clean copper, and stainless steel options, with tin or nickel plating and other finishes upon request.